I told you that with just £250 a month, less than many people spend on takeaways and subscriptions monthly, you could build a powerful, diversified global investment portfolio. Now, in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. And there's one specific pot in this plan, which I call the Landlord. This is designed to send you money, cash, free money every single month. You need to watch for it. Welcome back to Wealth Motley. So many of you have mastered budgeting and you've saved up your first consistent investment amount. Now, the big question you're asking is, okay, Charles, where do I actually put this money? It's a brilliant question because just putting all of it in one place is super risky. The secret to building lasting wealth is something you've heard about, diversification. And today we're going to build the perfect diversified starter portfolio with just £250 a month. This is the exact kind of allocation I will build for someone who wants to cover all their bases. You want safety, you want stability, and you still want some exciting growth, all with your £250. Now, a study by Charles Schwab showed that over the last 20 years, even if you had the worst luck in the world and you only invested at the very peak of the market every single year, a consistent investment strategy still outperformed waiting for the perfect time. Yeah? So the lesson here is consistency always beats timing the market every single time. So today we're building a consistent plan using my very simple 6-pot blueprint. We're going to give every single pound that you invest a specific job. First, we build the unbreakable foundation. Second, we'll lay the bedrock of the world's strongest economy. Third, we'll become a landlord and collect monthly rent. Fourth, we'll build a global tech engine. And fifth, we'll take a strategic bet on the future. And finally, we'll add a layer of pure quality and income. This is what you do with just your £250 and you sitting through and watching this video to the end. Our first pot, this is non-negotiable. This is our foundation. Before you start building a skyscraper of wealth or anything, we need to make sure that the ground that is on is very solid. Solid rock, not sand. This is your emergency fund. And we're going to pounds a month into a high interest savings account. I know, it's not what you expected. And it's not very sexy. It is not a stock, yes, but it's one of the most important things you do. This is your life happens fund. A recent study found that nearly a quarter of UK adults have less than £100 in savings. That is a recipe for disaster. Your emergency funds is what stops you from having to sell your investments at the worst possible time when your car breaks down. Now, this £30 a month isn't for investing. It's for buying you peace of mind. And peace of mind is the platform upon which all great wealth is built, yeah? We're using a HISA, like one from NatWest or any digital bank, paying you over 5% a year. It's simple, it's safe, it's FSCS protected, and it's liquid. You can take it down when you need it and all of that. Okay, so now this is your foundation that you've secured. Now we can start building this out we're speaking about. And the bedrock of any strong portfolio is in this second pot that I'm going to show you very well now. So this second pot is the bedrock of our portfolio. We are allocating £60 a month here. This is our core holding, our bet on the long-term success of the global economy. For this, we're using the S&P 500 ETF, specifically Vanguard's VUAG. If the ISA I spoke about in the beginning is a complete foundation, VUAG represents the strong walls and the structure of that financial house. It is a basket that holds 500 biggest companies in America: Apple, Microsoft, Coca-Cola. Think of them. You are buying a piece of the most powerful economic engine in the whole world. This is a solid 2.5 thereabout over 5 on a risk level. It is a low to medium risk investment, perfect for long-term growth. If you're just starting out and have a time horizon of over 5 years or more, this should be the biggest part of your portfolio. You can buy this inside a tax-free ISA in the UK and let it just grow. Very great. So we have our foundation and we have our walls. Now it's time to create some cash flow. It's time to become a landlord. This brings me to the third bucket that you want to look at, and it's a very special bucket. Here, our third pot is where we become a landlord without dealing with tenants. So we're putting £40 a month into a very special REIT called Realty Income. Realty Income is a beast. They own thousands of single-tenant commercial properties across UK, Europe, and the US. Their tenants are reliable, essential businesses like grocery stores, pharmacies, and convenience stores. But here's the magic part. Realty Income's entire brand is built around paying its shareholders a dividend every single month. They literally call themselves the monthly dividend company. They are what's known as a dividend aristocrat, meaning that they have increased their dividend for over 25 consecutive years. This is the definition of reliable income stream. The risk level, again, is fantastic. It's just 2/5. It is a stable, conservative stock. This is for the investor who loves the idea of property and wants that psychological win of seeing cash hit their account every single month, no matter how small. Okay. We have safety, we have our core, and we have something that pays you monthly rent check. I know it's looking great. Now let's add some spice and aim for higher growth. The fourth way that you're going to invest this money is in a growth engine. This is the biggest allocation at 75 quid a month. We are plugging into unstoppable force of global technology with the XLKS MSCI World Information Technology ETF. It's a mouthful, but just know it as XLKS. This ETF doesn't just buy the whole market, it specifically invests in the biggest global technology companies on the planet: Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia. We are making a concentrated bet on innovation. It's for the part of us that loves tech and believes that is the future. Now, what's the risk level for this one? It's a slightly medium risk one. It's like a 4/5. When tech stocks do well, this ETF flies. When they have a bad year, this would also fall and affect, more than the general market. That's why we balance it with our other different investment that you've done. But for the long-term growth, it is a proven powerhouse. About 20% a year, and the last 10 years gone as high as 500%. Now, plugging into today's tech is smart, but what about the future? What do we do for tomorrow? That's where the fifth bucket we're looking at comes in. Now, this fifth pot is very strategic and it's a forward-looking bet. We're putting 25 quid a month into the future. Artificial intelligence. We're talking about AIQU, AI Big Data ETF. I love it. The global AI market is projected to grow to over 1.8 trillion by 2030. This is an explosive trend we want to be part of. This ETF owns companies that are at the forefront of the AI revolution. From the chip makers to the software developers, it's a way to invest in the theme that will shape the very next decade. This is a thematic, more high-risk, investment. You're looking at a risk level of about 4.5/5. But by allocating a small dedicated amount here, we get exposure to the massive upside potential without risking your entire portfolio. It's our, I would say, what if fund. So we have our foundation, we have the core, you have income, you have our tech engine, and you also have the bet on the future. What's left? Let's add one final layer to it for an extra level of security, almost like you are locking the door with extra burglary proof and all. Now, that's our sixth and our final pot. And this is about adding pure quality. We're looking at putting the remaining £30 a month into Fidelity US Quality Income ETF, FUSD. So what does this mean? I know it's always a mouthful. This ETF doesn't just buy any US company. It has a filter with it. It specifically looks for high quality companies that are profitable, have stable earnings, and a strong history of paying dividends. Think of it as the VIP section of the US stock market. I always bring you the best. I love it. By adding this, we're tilting our portfolio towards stable, cash-rich companies that tend to perform well even in uncertain economic times. It's like adding another layer of steel to our financial house. It is like a 3/5 when it comes to scale. So pretty good, providing a wonderful balance of stability and income. And guys, there it is, the 6-pot blueprint that I promised you. So £30 into the foundation, that's your high interest savings account. 60 quid into the bedrock, that's the VUAG, the S&P 500. £40 into, all realty, that's the landlord. And £75 into tech NG, like the XLKS. £25 into the future in AIQU for AI. And then £30 for quality check in FUSD. Now, just look at that. With just £250 a month, you have a portfolio that is more diversified and more powerful than most people build in a lifetime. You have safety, you have core growth, you have monthly income, you have tech, you have AI, and you have quality. This is how you build real wealth. Not by timing the market, not by having a fortune to start with, but by having a smart plan and executing it month after month after month. You're building a legacy, one direct debit at a time. So, if this blueprint has given you clarity and confidence in starting your investment journey, then I'm inviting you to join this movement. You want to hit that subscribe button and become a part of the Wealth Monthly family. And to make it even easier, I have created a free ebook that you can use to help you get started in investing. I've also created a budget tracking system for you that you can use to budget your money. And you can find the link to get this right in the description button below. And if you want to go a step higher, you want some personalized help, feel free to book a one-to-one session with me. The link is also down here below. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these 6 spots are you most excited about feeling? Let me know. Let's discuss in the comment section.